Dave Porter with Vouch Video. When it comes to fencing companies in Bucks County, if you're looking for a fencing pro and looking for a great selection, I'm here with Adam from A&S Fencing. Your company has been recognized as one of the best fencing companies, not only in Bucks County, Montgomery County, but really the surrounding area. People are coming to your showroom for your selection, really. At the end of the day, they're looking to find the right fence at the right price.
Customers can be happy with the product, but the first person has to be happy is myself, because I'm going to make you happier than yourself, because I've been doing it all my life. I grew up in the fence industry, and I just hate a dirty yard. You walk out of a yard and it's dirty, I'm embarrassed. I don't want to be embarrassed. I want you to say, hey, you know, these guys did the greatest job they could, and they cleaned up the best that they can and made us happy.
I'm standing here with Sue. You help coordinate the activities of this company. Tell me about maybe what someone could expect if they were to call in.
From the time a customer calls in, we want to find out what their needs are and what their wants are. Two different things. You may want a fence, but what do you need it for? Do you need it for a dog? Do you need it for a pool? And we want to make sure the fence that we provide you meets your expectations and your needs. If you're planning on a pool, I want to make sure that your fence is pool code. If you have a dog, I want to make sure that the fence suits the dog that you have.
What I really love about the experience and what our reviews show us online is that A&S has the experience to make proper recommendations. You make sure the guys are on time, you make sure they do an organized, neat job, right?
Yeah.
So those conversations you have with the customer on an ongoing basis to make sure that they're satisfied.
Right, we follow up, we have your install scheduled, we follow up before your install to remind you so that you can be there to answer the questions that the installers may have, and then we follow up with you afterwards. We are always here. We have this location so the customers can always come find us. They're not trying to track down a P.O. box or a house. We're here for you when you need us, from the time of the initial phone call to years after your install.
There's really some remarkable types of fencing that I've never seen at any other fencing yards. Tell me about these fencing products.
With the vinyls, there's a lot of multicolors, so they're going, hey, let's get give me a different one that matches the color siding of my house, or give me the tan. Tan's more, a little bit more neutral. It's not as snow blinding for people.
Not only is the fence selection amazing, it's going to be well worth your time to come on down and take a look at the options, but ultimately get a fair price. I mean, you know, pricing can be all over the place with fencing. What should someone consider when thinking about pricing?
You know, we want to give everybody a fair value for what they're getting, but never buy cheap. It's just breaking, and vinyl breaks. It has to be heavy duty. If it's not heavy duty, it's going to break from the wind getting hit, or something hitting it, like a rock or a piece of wood flying from windstorms and all that stuff like we've been having.
Sue, I want to thank you for taking the time with us. I know you need to get back to work. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We really look forward to recommending your services to anyone throughout Bucks County, Montgomery County, reaching out throughout the surrounding area. If you're looking for a fencing company in these areas, A&S Fencing is really a great call. Trusted community leader, a staple in the industry. There are fly-by-night contractors out there, and you do want to find someone you can trust. Thanks again, Sue.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.